Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today we're going to talk about using the bolted-on system to haul the motorcycles on a garden trailer. So these are the bikes. We got Marie's Honda Grom and my Honda Grom. So we used to ride the Harleys. She had a 1200 low and I had a switchback, Dyna switchback. But with my back injury, I can't handle a bike that's 600 pounds anymore. So we had bought these Groms. They're only 224 pounds a piece. And because we haul the camper, and it's a bunk house instead of a toy hauler because of the grandkids, these Groms are small enough that they fit in the back of my truck. There they are, both Honda Groms in the truck with the bolted on system. And this bolted on system, because it doesn't require you to drill any holes or anything, it just uses these J-hooks. So these J-hooks are the ones for the truck, putting it in the bed of the truck, and these are for the trailer. The braces, you just pull up and you can move. The same with these. These you can move wherever you want them. So it's a really versatile system to have, and because I bought it for the truck, I can also use it on the garden trailers. We're going to see what it looks like putting the motorcycles on the garden trailer, because if I'm not taking the camper, for instance, maybe I'm running up to the cabin, we can haul them on this trailer, which is easier than putting them in the back of the truck. So let's see how they look going up on there. You can see they easily fit on this trailer. And I just strap them down and they're ready. So really easy to use this system on here. Let me show you what it looks like with the straps on. You can see I put the straps on to hold them. I do travel sometimes with the kickstand down just to give it 3 points of contact. And the straps that I'm using, I have them going up on here on the handlebar. Some people prefer to put them down here so that they're not using the shock, you know, in there, pushing extra pressure on the shock. But these fenders are plastic, so I don't want to touch that, and we're not going far with them. So this will be fine. This is how I hauled them, the Harleys, before, and I never had an issue with them. And I had bought these straps a while ago for the Harleys, and this is what they are. It's Power Tie, PowerTie.com, American tie downs. So that's what I had used. The other tip is, do not let these flap in the wind. They will wreck the paint on your bike. So you want to wrap these and tie them so that they're not flopping around in the wind. And then on the back, I just wrap the tire so that the back of the bike doesn't bounce around. And this is how I do this. What I do, so the way I do this is I put it through here and then over the hook like that, and then pull it, and that gives it to you, so it's tight. I could go around this piece here, you know, to keep it from sliding back and forth, so I'd probably do that. So if I go like this, and take that loop up over the top, and it's not going to go anywhere. So that's how I do that. Then we wrap the tire. Sometimes I wrap these twice if I'm in a tight spot, so when I wrap the tire on the truck, if it's in the bed of the truck, I'll double wrap the tire. Because there's so much room between them, I don't have to do that on this bike. And we'll bring this over. So that's how I wrap the tires, keep the bike from moving. So we'll do the next one. So you can see I use individual tie wraps for each tire because I don't want them to bounce together. And if you wrap them with the single line, sometimes they'll work their way together over time. So I always use two separate straps. And you can see those bikes aren't going anywhere. And that's how we haul them, with the bolted on system on a garden trailer. So that system is very versatile, and it has multiple purposes. So I can haul them on the truck when I have the camper with me. I can put them on a garden trailer when I'm not taking the camper, and it's the same J-hook system, that bolted on system, just with those J-hooks and D-rings. You're not drilling any holes, you're not putting in bolts that you got to tighten down, ratchet down real tight. All that's over. Hey look, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. That helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there. Hey, thanks for watching.